If you thought foldable phones were delicate, think again. Samsung's brand new Galaxy Z Flip 7 just went through one of the most brutal durability tests on the internet, and surprisingly, it came out alive. Yes, we're talking about Jerry Rig Everything's signature scratch, burn, and bend test, where only the toughest phones survive. Zach Nelson, the man behind the popular YouTube channel, is known for putting devices through absolute torture. And after pushing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to its limits, it was only a matter of time before the flip version faced the same fate. So, how did the Galaxy Z Flip 7 perform when scratched with blades, scorched with flames, bent backwards, and even exposed to dust? Let's break it down. The test began, as usual, with the scratch test. Zach brought out his Mohs hardness picks, the industry standard for measuring screen scratch resistance. And at level 6, the first visible marks began to appear. That means the Z Flip 7's cover screen is protected by a material that's tough enough to survive everyday contact, like fingernails or plastic cards. But if you've got keys, coins, or pens floating around in your bag or pocket, you might want to be careful. Those could still leave marks. Next up were the camera sensors. Zach took a razor-sharp cutting tool to the protective lens, and surprisingly, the sensors held their ground. They didn't shatter or scratch easily, which is impressive. For anyone worried about the cameras getting ruined in a pocket or on a drop, this is a reassuring win. But what everyone was waiting for, the real heart stopper, was the bend test. Samsung claims to have improved the hinge mechanism and foldable display durability in the Flip 7. And Zach was ready to put that claim to the ultimate trial. With intense pressure applied right at the hinge, trying to snap the phone in half, it didn't break, not even a creak. The phone stayed functional. The display kept working. The hinge, still intact. For a foldable phone, this is huge. You have to understand, most foldables in earlier generations would have at least shown some flex or weakness under this kind of pressure. But Samsung clearly learned from the past, and their engineering this time around holds up. Now, onto another real-world scenario. Dust. One of the most concerning issues for foldables is how the hinge handles particles. A single grain of sand in the wrong place can ruin the experience, causing creaking, sticking, or even permanent damage. But in this test, Zach deliberately introduced dust into the hinge area. He folded and unfolded the device repeatedly. And guess what? It didn't affect the hinge performance at all. Smooth operation, no grit, no grinding. This is a major sign that Samsung's design upgrades are doing their job. Then came the screen burn test. Using a direct flame, Zach held a lighter to the inner display to simulate extreme heat exposure. As expected, the AMOLED panel reacted. Pixels started showing damage after a few seconds, which is typical for OLED screens. But that's not something the average user will ever encounter unless you're leaving your phone on a hot stove. So while it's fun to watch, it's not a real-world concern. What makes this test more than just entertaining is that it reinforces the Galaxy Z Flip 7's readiness for real life. Phones go through rough use, pockets, backpacks, accidental drops, weather exposure. And while no phone is indestructible, Samsung has clearly pushed the Flip 7's durability to the next level. It's especially interesting to compare this with the recent Galaxy Z Fold 7 test. That phone also performed surprisingly well under stress. Samsung's foldables seem to be reaching maturity, not just in terms of features and looks, but in how well they survive outside a controlled showroom environment. And it's not just performance that's winning hearts. Sales numbers are up too. According to recent reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has already outpaced its predecessor in the US, with 50% higher sales compared to the Fold 6. That tells you consumers are gaining confidence in the form factor, and tests like this only help build that trust. So what does this all mean? Samsung is proving that foldables aren't just flashy gimmicks. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 isn't just about cool aesthetics or futuristic vibes. It's tough, it's functional, and it's ready to handle life as a daily driver. If you're someone who held back on buying a foldable because you thought it wouldn't last, this might be the phone that changes your mind. Of course, it's not bulletproof. Don't go tossing it onto concrete or slicing it with a box cutter. But if you're a normal person living a normal life, the Z Flip 7 has the resilience to keep up. And let's be honest, it still folds in half. That will never stop being cool. You can check out the full Jerry Rig Everything durability video on YouTube to see every moment of this glorious destruction in action. It's oddly satisfying and might just convince you that foldables are ready for the mainstream. Samsung seems to have finally nailed the balance between innovation and reliability, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is living proof.